Imagine if aliens came to our world, pretending to be our friends. A spaceship lands and the world watches in awe and curiosity. At first, they seem friendly, sharing advanced technology and knowledge. Humans and aliens shake hands, exchange gifts, and celebrate a new era of cooperation. But soon, their true intentions are revealed. Dark, ominous machinery appears, and humans are forced into labor. The aliens want our resources and to enslave humanity. In a chilling twist, they even use women to make cheese, just like how humans use cows for milk. The horror of this reality sets in. In response, humanity bands together to resist. Global leaders meet, military forces prepare, and people unite. Governments and organizations collaborate to fight back against the alien threat. This scenario raises profound ethical and moral questions. How should we treat sentient beings? What does it mean to survive in such dire circumstances? In the face of such a challenge, human ingenuity and unity would be our greatest strengths. Stay vigilant and united, for our resilience defines us.